Hello and welcome back for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on thematic chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And you can see that Vechain, after giving us this massive crash on the 10th of June, in a move that gave us a new bear market low at around the $0.0132 mark, we started this nice recovery to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that fully maximized minimum target areas. Then after seeing the formation of that second wave, we saw this massive pump in the formation of a wave 3, where I gave you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging them to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618 at around the $0.01974 mark, which is an area that we fully maximized. Then we started a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4. Minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5. And you can see that we managed to get into the minimum retracement area with this long wick, which is right here. And there are chances that we have now started an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, and giving you minimum target areas for that fifth wave to the upper side by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. That now gives me a minimum target area for the fifth wave at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $0.02189 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Vechain to do once the breakout is the breakout plays out here on the charts. And the first thing that we need to keep our eyes on is a break above the wave 3 high at around the $0.01976 mark. The moment we manage to break above the wave 3 high, then there will be high chances that this is now getting impulsive, and we are now going to break above our key area of resistance at around the $0.02 mark. And the moment we manage to get above the $0.02 mark, then we can expect maybe a retest, or maybe we can continue pushing through that key area of resistance and put in place the high for that wave 5 to the upper side. And once that plays out, then Vechain will be able to complete a complete 5-wave move to the upside in what we can now term as a larger Elliot wave count 1. Then from that point, we can expect a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, where we can expect the price to play out in an ABC corrective structure, putting in place the low for this second wave before we can continue seeing higher prices in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart, and those are my breakout targets. And we also need to have breakdown targets in case things don't go our way in the formation of that wave 5, where in case we see further breakdown, the only target area that we need to continue holding is between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5. And that means that in case breakdown plays out on the charts, then we can expect a bit of a pullback into this blue target area, fully maximize the target area before we can see our massive breakout to the upper side in the formation of that wave 5. So those are the two possible scenarios that I have here on the Vechain chart. And once we complete a 5-wave structure followed by an ABC corrective structure, that will be enough confirmation that we have now a new bear market low in place, and we can continue seeing higher prices in a very impulsive move to the upper side. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 60 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.